All right, I can't move that. I can move my king, my rook, and this pawn. This is it. These are the only pieces I can move. I'm going to lose on both boards now. Hey guys, Hanson suggested that I play against 2 Martin bots at the same time, but I have to make the exact same move on both boards. If I cannot do that for some reason, the video will end and I will lose. Let me put myself over here, and I understand it's going to be super tiny. You can't even really see me, but I don't really have a lot of room to work with. All right. Good luck, Martin. Here we go, and this might be a mistake, but I'm going to play e4 and e4. All right, that's what I'd like to see, Martin. Let's go knight f3 and knight f3. Oh, okay. So we have to start thinking now. Well, I feel like d4 is going to be a safe move, but if he takes that way, maybe that's not safe. Let's just play knight c3 and knight c3. Okay, what is he doing? Let's just play some more safe moves. How about bishop e2 and bishop e2? Uh-oh. All right, let's castle and castle. How am I going to get checkmate on both of these games? That's the big question. d3 and d3. Uh-oh. You have a queen over here. All right, let's go bishop e3 and bishop e3. Okay, we're doing good. Let's go queen d2, queen d2. I would like to play knight d5 on this board, but I don't want to do it over here. I guess we just got to keep... Let's just rook d1, maybe? Oh, Martin, what are you doing? Okay, I'm going to go with a3 and a3. Seems like a safe choice. Should I play d4? No, because I might run into some problems with, like, the capture here. Let's just go rook e1, rook e1. Okay, let's go bishop f1, bishop f1. I'm just trying to play safe moves. At some point, I'm going to have to take something, though, which is really intimidating in this. Should I play d4? I mean, it looks like let's do it. But we got to do something. Let's go d4. He takes it. Oh, no, I can't take it back. I can't take it back because I can't take it back over here. Martin. Man, all right. Well, I'm going to have to go... Let's go knight d5 on both boards. Why not? Why not? Okay. Ooh. I can play knight takes f6 and knight takes f6. That's a good move. Or I could do the rook and a pawn, bishop and a queen. Now let's go for the queen and the bishop. So we'll take and we'll take. I think I tricked Martin. Ooh, again, look at this. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Okay, so we might be able to checkmate him here, but... Like knight g5, knight g5? Well, let's do that. Let's go knight g5, knight g5. Okay, he's running. What is he doing? I want to take this. Ooh, that's a fork on both boards. How about that? Okay. If I go here, I'm taking a queen. Or I could take a rook on both boards. I think I like taking a rook on both boards rather than the queen. Yeah, let's take the rooks. Okay. He took the knight. All right, well, what if I played bishop g5 and bishop g5? It's not a great move over here, but might be able to get the queen. I could also play bishop a6. I don't know if Martin would take that. Let's try bishop g5. Let's go bishop g5, bishop g5. Okay, he's giving me the queen over here, and I could play bishop h4. Great. All right. Let's see. I want to take this, but I can't. I don't have that pawn to take here. All right. I could go queen h6. No, that's not really awesome. Let's go knight h6 and just take this pawn. Okay. Let's go. I can't move this knight because I don't have it on this board. So I can only move this knight. All right, that's fine. Or I can move... What else can I move? My queen. I could move my queen. Oh, this knight's pretty annoying. I could play f4. Let's play f4. Yeah, let's do this. I'm getting confused. F5, F5. Seems pretty good. Let's do that. Okay. We could... No, we can't take. I can't take the knight. Well, what can I do? I can push it. I can just push it. Let's just push it. Okay, he took my knight, which... Wait, did he take a knight or was there not a knight there? I don't even know. It's fine. I'm going to just keep pushing it. We're just going to go. Spawn's going all the way. Ah, he stopped it over here. Okay, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I could play Queen G5. Oh, I could take this now. Let me do that. Let me take the knight and go here. Okay. I think we're in good shape. I could keep taking. Yeah, I could. This is really good. Takes. How about that? Okay. He took that bishop, so this guy can't move anymore. And this knight can't move. All right, that's fine. What I can do now is play Queen G5. Seems like a safe move in both boards. Queen G5, Queen G5. Okay. This is a good move, and it's not a good move. It's not a good move. But I might do it anyway. Although, if he takes my queen on this board, which he would have to, then I can't move my other queen. Okay, I can't go there. No, I can't do that. All right, it gets a little difficult. Should I push the pawn? Yeah, maybe that's a safe move. Okay, we can take and take. That seems safe enough. We can... No, we can't take... We can move it forward on both of these. Let's do that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to win. All right, we can get 2 queens, right? Or I could bring the rook down. Ooh, that's checkmate. So, wait a minute. What happens if I checkmate? Does that mean I keep playing on the other board? Or do I have to checkmate at the same time? Ooh, let's see if we can do that. Because I could go here right now and just checkmate. But then I think the video just ends. Or I could try to somehow checkmate both of the kings at the same time. That's going to be very difficult. But we're going to try it anyway. So we're going to get a... Wait a minute. He's going to have to take me. He might take me. He might not take me. All right, it's a risk I'm willing to take. Queen. Martin. So I can't use this queen anymore. Oh my. Okay. Well, let's think about this. How do we get checkmate with the same move on 2 different kings? How do we do that? I guess I want to go here. I can't do that. I can't go there. All right. You know what I can do, though? I can go bishop g3. Okay. I can go queen here, which is not checkmate, but he'll have to move. I can also go queen here. All right, let's try that just to see what's going to happen. Okay. I can take that with my rook, and I can play rook here. Yeah, there we go. Let's do that and this. Okay. Oh, no. I missed that. Man, okay. So, again, I still have checkmate, but it's not over here. I don't know if this is possible, what I'm trying to do. How could it be possible? Let's go here and here, maybe? Let's do that. Okay, he took that queen. I want to go here. I want to force this king. Let's go rook here, which will force him to block. And I want to push the king back because then I'll maybe can checkmate at the same time. That's what I'm trying to do. Bishop d6. Bishop takes d6. Oh man. Yeah, let's try that. We'll go here and here. Okay, so he takes the knight. So this is no longer checkmate. So I could go there now. I could. Let's do it. Let's go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so he took the pawn. I can't move this pawn. I can... Ooh, I'm starting to see something. I can move this back and this back. I think we might be able to do this. Or wait a minute. I could also move it here, which forces his king to go the way that I want it to go. Let's actually do that instead. We'll take this. We'll go here. Okay. Yeah, we're getting close. So I could do something like this. Let's go. Let's see. How do we do this? Check and this rook up here. Now I want to move the bishop out of the way because it's going to... Oh, no, it's checkmate. It's checkmate. I have to move the bishop over here to give him a space to move to. I can't move that bishop there. I can move it to b6, but then he's going to run away. How do I do this? I can't move my queen. I can move my rook. That's risky, though, if he takes it over here. All right, maybe I need to actually... No, I can't do that. How do I do this? How do I do this? Oh, Martin. Okay, well, maybe I'll get lucky and he'll go to the back, which is what I want. So let's go here and here. No, let's see, that's not what I wanted. It's not what I wanted at all. Okay. I'd like to move this rook. I don't want it to get captured. Where should I move the rook to? Should I go over here just because I can? No, this makes sense. If I go here, the problem is he's going to escape, and there's no way I'm going to get checkmate at the same time like that. I have to push the king back this way somehow. I have to do that. So let's try bishop. Bishop c5 doesn't work. It's got to be like bishop c7. All right. Let's go. Actually, let's go. Yeah, we'll go bishop c7. I don't know. I don't think we can do this. Yeah, he takes my rook. That was bad. Bad news for me. Okay, now I'm going to have to get another queen. I'm going to have to. So, we're going to go with h4. We need more pieces on this board over here. Ah. This is a problem. This is a problem. I need to stop this. Let's bring the rook back. Now I got to play some defense. No. Why would you do that, Martin? Okay. Well, it's not looking good because this board is in big trouble. I can't move anything. Can't move anything is the problem. I could play c3. I could do that. All right, we'll play c3. Uh-oh. He took it. He took it. Oh my goodness. I can move. Can I even move any pieces now? What can I even do? Rook to f1. Let's go. Uh-oh. Not looking good. Okay. Well, I'm going to go for bishop to d8. I'm trying to take this. No, he saw it. Of course he saw it. All right, I can't move that. I can move my king, my rook, and this pawn. This is it. These are the only pieces I can move. I'm going to lose on both boards now. I'm going to lose on both boards. All right, well, you know what? Let's try g3. Maybe he'll take it over here and give me some hope. No, of course not. All right. We're down to the king and rook. Oh my. What if I checkmate with just a king and a rook? I'm going to have to take some pieces. So let's go here and here. And we'll take this guy. Oh, but if he takes my rook, I'm done. I'm done for. Let's try this instead. We'll go back here. Okay, good. Oh no, I can't take it. I can't take it. Oh, but I can take the queen. I can take the queen. All right, we're okay. We're okay. Let's take the queen. All right, I can't do anything about that. I can move my king or I can move this rook still. Let's... Ooh. Let's go to D1, I guess. He gets a knight. Martin just under-promoted to a knight. Look at his position. He under-promotes to a knight? Are you serious, Martin? Okay, well, I'm going to take it. I'm just going to keep taking those. I mean, I'm going to go back to D1. This is my strategy. Just wait for him to give away all his pieces. Okay, we can now go here and take the pawn. Let's do that. All right. Can't go there, which I would like to do. I could take this, but it's risky. Let's go to B4. How about that? Okay. I can take this with check, and I can go here. I can go check again. Ooh, he's going to get a queen. I won't be able to take it. No. Oh, no. Well, I can't help that. Let's just go here and hope for the best. Now he gets a queen. Come on, dude. I thought you were going to get a knight. Okay. Well, we got to move the king. Only move would be to G2. And I have some options. I have some options here. Let's choose carefully what we're going to do. Let's try to checkmate him with my king on this. Oh, I can't go there. I gotta go to H3. All right, we'll go to H3. Okay. He took my rook. He took my rook. Which means I can only move my king now. I can only move my king. For the rest of the game. It's only a matter of time before Martin just checkmates me. Oh dear. If he knows how to checkmate me, I'm going to run this way. And this way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. Here is a legal move. Oh no. Here? Okay, I'm going to run this direction. Let's keep going this way. There's no possible way for me to win this, right? Oh, I can take this pawn. That's funny. Let's take it. All right. Let's go to B3. This is so weird. Let's go... What's he doing? Does he even know how to checkmate? Does he even know how to checkmate with two queens? Oh, I can't move. You guys know what that means.